So it was the very field that we planted mechanically that time. You will see even the tree we planted there. So from April to now, you see the sugarcane is already growing. So we would like to also demonstrate to you down there how we are growing how we are planting the cane using the machine, how we are using the different machine to do the land preparation, and all the different cultural practices which we are doing. We are applying fertilizers. We will demonstrate the application of herbicide. We will tour around. We will show you our crushing unit, where we use all the stone we extract from the field, we convert into aggregates, which is adding value and helping us to do our construction and our road. And also last, we will show you the dam where we are building a dam, which is one, we are going to build many of like this to be able to cater for the dry season, because this is heavy investment, so we need to consider risk. We need to consider that there's sustainability in our production, and we want to make sure that we have enough water during the dry season to continue to irrigate our sugarcane. Unfortunately, this morning we received a heavy rain, so most of the operation was put on hold a little bit. So we will try to show you maximum operation we can in the field. I don't know if the bus will be able to reach on the other side of the mountain. Maybe I will take a few of you guys to also show how sugarcane is being harvested with the machine. So everything is done fully mechanical, so that you also can see the new way of sugarcane. Thank you. So maybe employment related to the sugar factory, the estate, to run the farm. So this is direct employment, and there's also indirect. So once we start selling sugar, once we start selling molasses, this will create another job opportunity. And we are also looking forward to support farmers in the surrounding region to do a diversification program to help them to grow vegetable. Later on, when we come back, I think you guys will have cross. You saw some sunflower that was grown on one side, so we started a trial plant some month ago. We showed the machine how to grow vegetable. We did sunflower, onion, Irish, sweet potato. We did some butternut. We harvested them for our farm, but we want to make sure that we can do it, so that then we can start now multiplying it to all the farm and help the farmers to grow. Thank you so much, Director. You are doing this business in Amur district. Is there a possibility of recruiting casual workers from within the community? More powerful than a bulldozer. Oh, yes. Oh, so we are 3600 HP. We have 340 this one on our line. We have the 55 for the fertilizer, and we have 255 with this area. The 165 is mainly for the we are going to do ground treatment. So the same harvesting machine, and he is going to upload in 6 trailers that we go and take to the factory. So we go, you don't need to take care from the field and do on the road, and the machine will be done in the factory. So we have a very close
Pietro ya. Pietro.
Even at night you can harvest, because the tractor do everything on its own. So from the cabin you can see each and every line, when it was planted, how many area was burned, how much fertilizer is being put, so you have full traceability. So these tractors are equipped also with AFS. You see on the tractor, it is the advanced farming system, the software. Side, because we want to spray our seed there. We want to make sure they are disease free, they are pest free, because we are going to multiply. So if your cane has disease, we will continue to propagate the disease on the entire farm. So we don't want to do this. So all machine, we make sure we spray. We keep them, we remove all the contamination. And we have also invested in a hot water treatment plant. So now we are doing irrigation. We have been using the existing variety which is green cane. Now we want to introduce other varieties which can give you more sugar, which can give you more fiber for you to produce more electricity, which are pest and disease resistant. So all this can be done in the state. But our aim is to use what we have to open the factory. Then we can start this trial and all these experiments as we are going.
You train these operators.
We train the operators, all our local operators. So we have also money, then we are moving to our permanent houses, proper houses, so that we can also have their family with us. We also want to build school, hospital, sport arena, golf course. We want to make sure we build an entire community around here. Thank you.
That's good.
That's good. We press the win or behind the win? Okay, in the wrong place. We can, all of us can.